whatever you do, if you try to please Krishna, then your circle is perfect. Krishna must be center. Rupa Goswami says, Nidbande Krishna Sambandha. Krishna Sambandha, you can deal in politics. Then politics will be perfect. Krishna Sambandha, you can make circle of scientific knowledge. Then it will be perfect. Making center Krishna, either politics, sociology, philosophy, religion, whatever it may, it will be perfect. Jutta vairagam achat. Anasaktasya vishayan jatharam upajanjat. Just like we are using this microphone, this is material scientific advancement. Sometimes they criticize that you are not materialistic. Why you are using the modern appliances? Why you are flying on the aeroplane? So, practically, our vision is that everything is Krishna's and everything must be utilized for Krishna's service. That is our philosophy. Actually, it is so. This microphone is manufactured by Krishna's energy. Bhumirapa analo vayu khangamana buddhirivacha. Prakriti bhinna me ashtadha. So, this metal portion or the rubber portion or any portion of this microphone is made of the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air. So, Krishna says, they are my separated energy. So, all the separated energy, we are dovetailing with the service of Krishna. That we do not see that this matter is separate from Krishna. Actually, it is not so. When we see that matter is separate from Krishna, that is materialism. When we see the matter is energy of Krishna, that is not materialism, that is spiritualism. So it is our intellect, how we can utilize everything with Krishna. Nidbande Krishna Sambandhe Yukta Vairagam Uchat. Anasaktasya Vishayan. If we utilize the same matter for our sense gratification, Visha, then it is material. The same flower, if I collect it for my sense gratification, this flower is material. This same flower, when I pick up for offering on the lotus feet of Krishna, this is spiritual. Then how the material thing transformed into spiritual? By the consciousness. Therefore, our propaganda is to raise the Krishna consciousness. Nitya Siddha Krishna Bhakti. That is our propaganda.